Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I picked up some stuff for my Arrma 6S line, okay, from rchopups. That's most likely going to go on one of my cars. This will interchange on any of the 6S lineup that they have. Your kraton, infraction, limitless, felony, all that stuff, outcast, all this stuff is where this will fit in. Okay, guys. Servo, the top piece. This is 775 aluminum. It comes with the stands, so this would be good for the guys that do, they just want the black aluminum on top. Plus, what do they use? They use the limitless. And then fraction for the what do they do? The drag races, they pull out that whole battery strap area and the servo area, and that whole thing comes out when you pull that radio box out. So this comes with it. So this will replace that. So you don't. So you can just put that there, and then they usually put like Velcro everything down with that Sherlock Velcro. Their batteries and all that kind of stuff there. So that'll work for that. Your steering, this is all aluminum, 775. Your servo horn, the link to your steering. This is your steering right here. This is all aluminum. So this is kind of cool. I thought it's got this. It's got the saber right there, the servo saber right there. You can feel the pieces right here where they interlock. So that's. I'm gonna be installing this on the car. This is your front upper suspension arm mount. This is kind of cool too. And then this is what I was looking at right here. Hot Racing makes these. And I'm gonna open this one because I'm keeping it. I'm actually keeping all this stuff, guys. This is actually gonna go in my cars. This comes with all three pieces. I'm not sure exact price on this. You know how Hot Racing, you got to order all the different pieces. You got to get this piece separate, and this piece separate for the sway bar. This all comes together as one, and this is going to be cheaper by quite a bit. And it comes with all the screws. It's going to be cheaper quite a bit than the Hot Racing. So, like I said, I'm not positive. I think Hot Racing just for this part right here is 60 something, or I believe like that. And then this is another 25 or something. It gets crazy. It gets up to over 100. I think it's going to be well under 100. I think like $80, I want to say. Somewhere around there. Don't quote me on that though, guys. But that's a good deal. Either way, get all three pieces, all the screws for that, for under $100 is awesome. Okay. Just a servo that I picked up, a servo. And then this was also cool. Okay. I had opened this already to check this out. This comes with the screws, right, to put, this is aluminum diff case, right, for your rear, front, center, whatever. They're all the same. But I took a SpeedTek diff locker, right, and I tested it to make sure it fit in there, and it fits tight. It doesn't move. It fits flush. I mean, that is just perfect. You put your gear on top of it. You don't need anything in it because it's a locker. And then you put your cups on it, which I have more cups laying around. I just don't know where they are, guys. I have them somewhere. I just don't know. And then you put your cups on it and your gear on there. Perfect. Make sure you Loctite those. If you're going to keep it, I would red Loctite your gear on there. Okay. Same with your cups. And your bearings on there. That was awesome. So the SpeedTek fits into the RC hop-ups. Metal gears. Put that in here. You're going to have almost a bulletproof. You know, there's as much power as we're putting into these cars. There's, you know, something's bound to give out eventually, right? But this is going to be a good start to trying to stop blowing things up, maybe, huh? What do you think? And I did fit one into here already with bearings and all that, and it fit good. Yeah, I already test fitted all that stuff. I was kind of curious before that's why I was curious before I bought it. So that's pretty awesome, guys. All right, there you go, guys. This is for the Arrma 6S lineup. Like I said, it's for the limitless, infraction, the felonies, kraton. All this stuff will fit on all the 6S lineup, the mojave, all this stuff, right? So, RC hop-ups. Go check them out at JJ Customs. Check out JJ Customs website. I'll leave a link. If this stuff's in here yet, like I said, I'm getting some of this stuff before it's even going up online. Call them, email them, Instagram them. Get a hold of JJ Customs. You can call the shop, talk to RJ or Sean there, and tell them what you're looking for, and they'll get it and give you a price on it and all that stuff. If you can't find it on the website to get your price, then call them and find out. It's pretty reasonable prices for all this stuff, guys. Like I said, this is right here. This is a score right here. So, and this too. All this stuff right here is good. So, all right, guys. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and you'll see this on a video coming one of these days when I get to it. The racing's not going to be for a month or so, so I'm not going to do anything like that. So, yeah, like I said, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and smash that bell so you can keep seeing more product coming up, more cars being bashed, all sorts of stuff. I'll be doing an SCX 24 here soon too. So, thanks for watching, guys.